overhead conveyor to decline drum rotary spiral conveyor by Multi-Conveyor. Multi-Conveyor recently built a stainless steel constructed overhead plastic chain conveyor that feeds a decline rotary drum spiral conveyor for various size glass jars. The overhead tabletop plastic chain accepts single file product from a customer supplied discharging de-palletizing machine. The empty containers then decline down a 10-inch wide, 125-degree plastic belt drum spiral that end transfers to a jar discharge pushing device. Spiral accumulation provides gentle handling on one continuous belt with no intermediate dead plates or end-to-end transfers. They're designed for either bottom or top loading as the line dictates. Rotary spiral accumulators give your production line that few extra minutes needed for staging, filling, or automation without stoppage, indexing, delays, or downtime. Multiple interconnected drum spirals can be placed in series to provide even more staging for higher production lines. Visit our website at www.multi-conveyor.com to learn more about spirals, accumulation systems, and incline or decline solutions. View over 60 conveyor packaging and material handling videos on our YouTube channel. Then call us at 1-800-236-7960. Remember, Multi-Conveyor, your best conveyed better.